क्योंकि आज मीठे का दिन है जनाब। और मीठा हमारे लिए लेके आ रही हैं हमारी आज के कार्यक्रम की सेशन की स्पॉन्सर सुप्रिया साठे। सुप्रिया साठे जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और पूरे यूबीआई टीम की तरफ से आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पहले तो कि आपने इस यूबीआई मैराथन्स में और हमारे यूबीआई फेस्ट में सहभाग किया, साथ दिया और सपोर्ट किया, जिसकी वजह से हम अपने कार्यक्रम को इतने अच्छे सुचारू रूप से आगे बढ़ा पा रहे हैं। उसके लिए आपका दिल से धन्यवाद। क्रीम काउचर की बिस्पोक केक डिज़ाइनर सुप्रिया साठे जी का यूबीआई के इस पटल पर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you, Sapna ji, for giving this opportunity.
Thanks. Our pleasure completely, because I have eaten so many cakes in Pune, but I know yours is the best. मैं इसलिए ये कह सकती हूँ दोस्तों, क्योंकि मैंने इनके हाथ के केक खाए हैं, इनके हाथ के लजीज खाने खाए हैं। मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त भी हैं और एक बहुत अच्छी होस्ट भी हैं। मगर अगर बढ़ा जाए, हमने बहुत सारी बातें करी और जो सुनने वाले हैं वो वेट कर रहे हैं कि बनेगा कब ये।
यस,
लगता है सुप्रिया की बेकिंग से शुरू की जाए। One has to remember, you have to preheat your oven for everybody, you know, for first bakers or anybody. First thing, I got up and I just started my oven. So by the time I start and finish with my baking, my oven will be ready to, it will be heated and ready to go in. So basically today we are making this simple tea cake, which is like, anybody can make at home. This is chocolate chip cake, which is eggless. And when you have parties or tea parties or anybody coming, you can just make this cake in little in advance. And can you see all of you can see? So,
yes.
Yeah. So this is what we'll be making. So let's start with it. Most important is all the ingredients which you should take has to be room temperature. There has to be nothing which is out of fridge or though this is which you should take has to be room temperature. There has to be nothing which is out of fridge or though this is eggless cake, but even then everything should be room temperature. And even when you're baking egg wala cake, it has to be room temperature.
Okay, so that's very important. Room temperature is extremely
very important. Okay, so I just introduce with the ingredients first. I've taken flour. Okay, there is a little salt to taste. There is little sugar. This is about a teaspoon of sugar. I've taken cinnamon powder. These are chocolate chips. These are for I'll be putting it inside the cake, and this is for the topping. Then there is obviously baking soda, baking powder, little flour, which is about 1 teaspoon flour. Then there is sugar, and this I'll be doing, because you can do a lot of experiments with this. I am going vegan, so I'm not using butter right now. I'll be using oil. And there is milk, because it's an eggless cake, there is milk. So initially when you start, you have to, you need, and this is one more ingredient I forgot to mention, which is vinegar. So first thing is, before you start, you have to put vinegar in the milk and keep it you set it up so you keep it aside for a.
So Priya ma'am, before we move on to the actual demo of the recipe, can you also viewers to tell our viewers, like you have a bowl there, you have a whisk.
Yeah,
just
so there
basic
are just
equipment.
Very basic equipment required for this. I have a spatula, which obviously is easy to scrape everything out, and I have a normal manual whisk. For these eggless cakes and all, you really don't need the whisk, which is electric whisk or anything, and a bowl, and that's all. There is nothing required. Yes, of course you need a tin, but I have taken this disposable one. You can bake in tins you get. So I have lined it up and it's ready to go.
Okay.
You can use whatever tin you have, either a loaf tin, a round tin, or any of the shape which you have at home or which you want to bake in. Yeah, and that's all. Nothing much.
Basic equipment.
Very, very, very basic.
Okay.
Now, every ingredient, which especially the flour and all, it has to be sieved. Everything has to be sieved first. So you can see the dry ingredients. Now in dry ingredients, you can put baking powder. This is half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. I will be writing the ingredients. Sapna ji will put it in the description under the thing. There is little salt, which is about half a teaspoon, and cinnamon powder, because cinnamon gives a beautiful taste to.
Yes, Supriya ji, we can do one thing. You can give us the recipe in writing and we can post it in the comment section.
Yes, let's do that. Yeah.
I'll request that from Anita ji also.
Yeah, I'm adding little sugar.
So seeding ingredients is very important.
Very,
right?
very important. This is the most important thing.
Okay. And any particular reason which we
Everything what you
compulsorily
have
do it?
put mixes properly, it bakes evenly.
Okay.
So if you put a baking soda at one spot and somewhere else, then it does not mix properly. Now you mix all the wet ingredients. You can mix it in this. There is this buttermilk which we created, right, with milk and vinegar. Yeah. Now I'm putting oil to it. And vanilla sauce. As I told you, you have to use best of the ingredients. So I use pig most of the time. Now this about half a teaspoon.
Can you explain to us why we use essence that it add or extract rather? It adds some flavor?
Extract, basically you can use essence as well if you want, but extract gives a lovely flavor and lovely aroma to the cake. And you can use any. Right now I'm using a vanilla, but you get all kind of extracts, all kind of flavors, whichever cake you are doing. Like if you are even doing rose, you get rose, or your almond, you get almond extract, anything. So you can use any of these, and depending on the flavor of the cake. So it's simple. Now I've mixed all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together, and I'm slowly whisking.
So it's like a one bowl recipe.
One
add your
bowl
dry
recipe.
ingredient.
Very, very, very simple. And you can start with this because it doesn't need anything. Only the consistency has to be well, and you follow the recipe to the T. Nothing can go wrong.
And how do we measure? Do we usually do weighing scale or do we do cup measures?
You do both. I will be putting both in the description with the cup as well as the grams.
सबके पास weighing machine नहीं होती, सबके पास किसी के पास.
Yeah, so I generally it is done all in cups. But generally, people who are very particular, I have written also in grams. So you can follow the recipe in the comments. So this is how the consistency is. It's not very thick and it's not very thin. Yeah. Now since we are making chocolate chip, so this is the most important. Now these are the chocolate chips. Okay. I have used Callebaut, which is the most expensive Belgian chocolate, which gives amazing taste and it's not sweet. I personally like to use dark chocolate, so I have used this dark chocolate. Since this is just a demo, I can use what I like. So, Okay, so now I'm putting a pinch of flour in this. Why am I doing this? Is I don't want. Sorry, saying something? No. Okay. So I'm putting the flour and mixing it in this before adding it to my batter, so that these chips don't sink in while baking. So when you cut the cake, you get chips all over the cake and not only at the bottom.
That's so interesting.
Very, very important.
Wow. Yeah.
So you
interesting.
हाँ, ये छोटी छोटी बातें सब लोग हमें नहीं बताएंगे, तो छोटी बातें जब आप सुन रहे हैं तो उसको नोट जरूर करिए। और रेसिपी तो आपको मिल ही जाएगी। अभी इस वक्त फोकस के साथ देखिए कि उनके हाथ कैसे चल रहे हैं, वो किस तरह से उसको बेक कर रही हैं और किस तरह से वो पूरा प्रोसेस कर रही हैं। जो हमारे सुनने वाले, मैं उनको ये बता दूं कि जो रेसिपी है वो हम कमेंट बॉक्स में जल्दी डालेंगे, मगर तब तक के लिए आप पूरे फोकस के साथ ये समझिए कि वो किस तरह से पूरे प्रोसेस को कर रही हैं। हर एक प्रोडक्ट को, हर एक इंग्रेडिएंट को उन्होंने छन्नी से छाना है। बिना छाने अगर आप इंग्रेडिएंट बनाएंगे तो एक ही जगह पे कहीं लंप की तरह भी जा सकता है।
Also, everything you have to keep ready in advance, just like what I've done. Because otherwise, it takes a lot of time to search your ingredient, go get it, measure it. So just measure everything properly in advance. Then it's like a cakewalk.
Absolutely.
Literally cakewalk. Yeah. You get a good
and
product
that's all. This is done. So now I'm just pouring it in.
वंडरफुल।
The consistency looks so good even now.
Yeah.
बनाने के लिए हमें घंटे चाहिए तो नहीं है जनाब, घंटे आपके पास, चिंता मत करें।
But still ready for the guest coming for tea in 1 hour. You just have hot chocolate chip cake ready.
केक की रेसिपी आज ही मैं अपनी जो साथ में है हेल्पर उसको भी भेजती हूँ ताकि वो आज मुझे गर्मा गर्म केक खिलाए। जब गजल वर्कशॉप कर रही हूँ तो मैं सबको दिखा दिखा के वो केक खाऊं।
Lovely.
Okay, now there are two things you have to remember. जो chips हमने अंदर डाले वो अंदर के लिए थे.
जी.
Now this doesn't have a look of chocolate chip cake. Okay. Now you have to have these separate chips. Here you don't have to add flour because it won't look good, right? On top. So ऊपर में आप normal chocolate chips डालो. जितने चाहिए आप डाल सकते हो according to your taste. Also, I must mention the sugar I have put is not very sweet cake. So it's a normal cake, but sugar is optional. Whatever you want, how much ever you want, you can do according to adjust it according to your taste. Yeah.
So once we get the basic recipe good, then
Yeah.
we can play around with the flavors.
Absolutely. Do whatever you want. Cinnamon चाहिए नहीं चाहिए मत डालो. You know आपको chocolate chips ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए मत डालो. Also, after this I will tell you how you can tweak this recipe because it's
Yes.
such an easy recipe. You can do so many variations with it.
Wow,
That's so in one recipe you will be getting
Yes.
like 10 other cakes. So now you know this is a tip which I'm giving, which nobody again will tell you. So I have a pinch of sugar in my hand. And I'm just putting it on top, which gives a beautiful sheen on the cake.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's such an interesting tip.
Yeah. So,
हमारे केक तो ऊपर से बड़े अजीब से बन जाते हैं जब हमारे पास खत्म होते हैं।
so you feel that your cake is, you know, sometimes बीच में अगर आप चेक कर रहे हो oven खोल के for 2 seconds अगर चेक कर रहे हो फट रहा है तो you only give a big cut in the middle, so it bakes very nicely and evenly, and this is ready. So this is my oven is at 180 degrees. And
Okay.
this will go in the oven for 30-35 minutes according to your oven temperature.
Okay.
So you have to check it after 30 minutes. If it is put a skewer, I'll just show you.
तब तक हम इस केक पर नजर मार रहे हैं। ये केक जो है बड़ा
ये skewer है. Once you feel the cake is ready, just put it in, check. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready to come out.
Okay.
Yeah?
जो प्रोसेस जो अभी मैम ने बताया ये पहले नहीं करना, ये जब आपका केक बन जाएगा
Yeah.
बाद आप जब निकालेंगे केक को ओवन में से उस समय ये जो स्क्वायर है, ये जो इस तरह का, अगर आपके पास टूथपिक हो तो आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
Yes.
आप वो यूज कर सकते हैं और चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपका केक बेक हुआ कि नहीं। जब वो निकलेगा बाहर एक बार आप इसमें दबा के निकालेंगे बनने के बाद।
Right.
Correct. Also, don't overmix the batter until just about wet. मैंने बहुत देर तक उसको नहीं घुमाया. Just about wet. Then toss the chocolate. You have to not forget tossing the chocolate chips in the flour.
In flour.
Also, size of pan matters. अभी ये मैंने बराबर ये अपने जितने ingredients लिए उसके हिसाब से pan लिया है. And then you can store the cake once it's done in an airtight container, and it will stay for at least 7 to 8 days in the fridge. And
Right.
1-2 दिन बाहर भी रह सकता है. So this is what
Lovely.
it is.
And please see, all our viewers can see उनके surroundings देखो, उनका workstation देखो. It's so clean. Once you have all your ingredients set, it doesn't become a big mess. You can just be systematic and organized. Is very important.
धन्यवाद सुप्रिया जी का इतना यमी टेस्टी केक हमें दिखाने के लिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।